Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to talk about what happened last night between the three brothers. I'm talking about Ashay, Bravo B, King Wanda, and I really feel bad for what happened for them because it was really seemed like family. They were family, the three of them. But what happened last night? Let's just hope it was just because of alcohol. Let's not let this not be something that's gonna continue be like that. Because I love Ashay and Bravo B, the connection that they have, the chemistry. You know what I'm saying? So I just hope it's not gonna go forever like that. Anyway, to those who don't know what happened last night after party, uh, Ashay was chilling in a couch eating a pie, and then um, Bravo B, Trixie, and Q and King Wanda, they were chilling in a smoking area, whereby we couldn't see as viewers what was happening. And Trixie came towards who's this Ashay, because the camera was showing us Ashay. Ashay asked Trixie, "What's going on?" And Trixie was like, "Oh, Q says this and that. He was using me to get me to Bravo B, and then I don't know, Trix was very pissed off that that he's mentioned that I was using you. And then we saw the area smoking area whereby it was Bravo B, King Wanda, and then King Wanda. They drank, they on another level. King Wanda asked Bravo B about their relationship, and King Wanda eventually says, "Hey man, you didn't approach or you didn't propose. Trixie proposed to you." And the guy was like, "Okay, yes, but I'm happy because now I'm in a relationship. The love that I didn't come in a house for love, but the love that I have now, I take it as a bonus." But King Wanda was not happy about that. And then we saw them going inside the house. Then boom, they were exchanging words, and then Bravo B was like, "Hey man, you're not a man." And then King Wanda went to fetch the crown, the uced, to show Bravo B that I'm a man. Bravo B got angry. Yeah, basically the fight was all about you didn't approach or you didn't propose Trixie proposed you, which is, if you take it in a Zulu way, which means you can't ukushela, ukwazi ukushela amantombazane akushela, you are not a man as well. That's what it means. And then Bravo B was pissed off that, and King Wanda also was pissed that hey man, you saying I'm a rainbow. Why do I know I'm a man, a straight man, but you're telling me I'm a rainbow. So it was too much, man. And then Ashay was called by Bravo B, "Hey man, say what King Wanda said about me." And then Ashay was like, "Hey man, do not involve me, guys, because now when Big Brother or Smash Africa ask question, I'm the only one who got myself involved there. So I don't want to involve myself in this issue. So they were fighting again. Why you don't want to be involved? All that. But I see now the brothers who just break up. But I just hope today, because it's Sunday, they're gonna unite and fix all what happened. Because it's just happened between the three of them, four of them. But I just hope they're gonna fix it. Yes, we see the relationship of Bravo B and Trixie. It's taking to us viewers. Some they see a future, some they don't see a future. Like me, I don't see a future there, because I think Trixie is just like playing a game in terms of she doesn't want to be alone. Like she's that kind of a woman. You can tell that hey man, I just need a man near me. I need a man near me. You can imagine who she is out there, because right now she's in the house, but we don't know outside how she is. In terms of how she handles herself as a woman. So I don't see that happening outside. Yeah man, I just hope for Bravo to one day to see that no man, this is not a relationship. we just lusting each other, we just want to have something inside the house, not outside. So yeah, man, that's what I'm here to share today. Cheers.